In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to use Canva to create print-ready artwork to make custom heat transfers. Before we begin, here are a few important steps. You must have Canva Pro before you begin. Canva Pro allows you to control how you export your files with the proper file type and print resolution. It's good to predetermine your artwork size. It's always better to start with a larger size, which can easily scale down if you need a smaller size. If you start with a small size and want to enlarge it, the print resolution may be affected. Step 1. Create your design with Canva Pro. Begin by clicking the Custom Size button. Change the measurement from pixels to inches. Then enter the document size. We're going to make the design 11 inches by 11 inches. When adding designs to the page canvas, be sure you crop any blank space out of the image. This will make things easier when you resize the artwork. To crop the image, first select it and then click on the Edit Image button. Drag the placeholder tabs from the top and bottom to move as close to the design as possible. Then click on Done to complete the crop. Next, scale the cropped image. We want this image to be at least 11 inches wide. We can now add an icon and our text. Now that everything looks good, it's now time to download the artwork. Go to the Share button and click on Download. Next, click on the Transparent Background checkbox. The file type should be a PNG. Next to the Size slider button, enter the number 2 and select Download. If you have Adobe Photoshop, you will be able to confirm print resolution size and trim any blank space in your design. To confirm the size and resolution in Photoshop, open the file. Next, go to the Image drop-down menu and select Image Size. To trim the blank space around your image, go back to the Image drop-down menu and select Trim. This removes all of the blank space. Next, save your image as a PNG. Now it's time to create your gang sheet. Start by creating a new custom size. Change the unit of measure from pixels to inches. We're planning on ordering Ultra ink from Apex, which has a sheet size of 18 inches by 11.5 inches. We want this design to be 11 inches wide. We can scale this by selecting the image with a click and then drag the corner to display the actual size. You can rotate the image by clicking on the design. You will see up and down arrows. Canva will show the angle of your artwork. Let's rotate this design to 90 degrees. Since we know our document page size is 18 inches wide by 11.5 inches tall, we should be able to fit at least 2 of these images on our gang sheet. Be sure you have some space on the top and bottom of the design. Be sure to click the Transparent Background checkbox. Then change your file type to PDF print. Be sure you choose the best for printing PDF print option. We can now verify that our gang sheet is sized properly by using Photoshop. Everything looks great. Our sheet size is 18 inches wide by 11.5 inches tall. Our resolution is perfect at 300 pixels. To sum up this tutorial, here are a few important notes. Remember, for your transfers to look good, we recommend a print resolution of at least 200 to 300 pixels. Be sure your artwork is sized properly. Apex Transfers does not resize your artwork unless you order additional art services. Lastly, be sure you save the file type as a print-ready PDF file. Thank you for watching this Apex Transfers tutorial video.